Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now we are trying to find the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You know complementary angles are what? Sum of them is equals to 90. Okay. So here suppose B is at right angle in ABC, then angle A, angle C, sum of these two is also 90 degree. So angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Now, in this sum is 90 degree. Okay, triangle, right angle, BPA. Okay, there are two sums, so these are such a pairs. Now, we have sin A, cos A, tan A, the six ratios are there. How you can write it? Sin A means A, concerning angle A, perpendicular is BC. So, BC by AC, hypotenuse. BC by AC, hypotenuse. Similarly, cos A equals to base by hypotenuse. This is base, if this is perpendicular, this is base, base by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Tan means perpendicular by base. This is BC by AC. Similarly, reciprocal is cosec, sec and cot. This is first equation suppose, and now suppose angle C is you can find, because this is 90, this is A. Sum of three angle is 180. So angle C equals to angle 90 minus A. Okay, 90 minus A. Okay, we have to write like this: 90 minus A. Clear? Means angle C is 90 minus A. Now for this angle, we have to write ratios. Sin 90 minus A. For this, AB is perpendicular. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, AB by AC, AB by AC. Similarly, cos 90 minus A, base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, BC by AC. 10 means perpendicular by base means AB by BC, AB by BC. So these are the values for 90 minus A. Inverse of this are cosec, sec and cot, equation 2. Comparing these two equation, we can get like this: sin 90 minus A equal to AB by AC. Then from equation 1, you can see that its value is cos A. Okay, comparing 1 and 2. So this sin 90 minus A equals to this equal to cos A. Similarly, cos 90 minus A equal to sin A. Comparing these two, you can get like this relation. Okay, so for complementary angles, the triangle trigonometric ratios can be written like this: sin 90 minus A equals to cos A, tan 90 minus A equals to cot A, sec, cosec, cos sin में, cot tan में, cosec sec में. मीन्स here sin cos में चेंज होता है, tan cot में होता है, sec cosec में होता है, cos sin में होता है, cot tan में होता है, cosec sec में होता है. These are the changes. 90 minus A, 90 minus A, 90 minus A, 90 minus A. So these are the relation, very very important relation for solving questions. So remember it. Okay, very very important relations for solving questions. So remember it. And now we are trying to know what is identity. Trigonometric identities. This ABC is a right angle triangle, B is at right angle. So here trigonometric identity means a relation between ratios which is always true for acute angles of a right angle triangle. Okay, so here suppose ABC is right angle triangle, then AC square equals to, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Now you can divide it, this relation, by AB square, by BC square, by AC square, 3 times. You can do anything. So first of all, divide it by AC square. Then we get like this. AB by AC. AB by AC means what? Concerning angle A, AB by AC means base by hypotenuse concerning angle A. Okay, or BC by AC means concerning angle A perpendicular by this. That is, this is cos, this is sine, and AC by AC 1. Okay, so cos square A plus sin square equals to 1. That is, we get cos square A plus sin square equals to 1. Similarly, by dividing BC square, by dividing AB square, you can get other three relations. That are called the trigonometric identities. Very, very important. 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A, cot square A plus 1 equals to cosec square A. So trigonometric identities, three trigonometric identities are these: cos square A plus sin square equal to 1, 1 plus tan square equal to sec square A, cot square A plus 1 equals to cosec square A. So remember this relation for solving questions, very, very important relation. Okay. Question 1 of exercise 8.3. Evaluate this. We have to find the value of these ratios and these trigonometric ratios. So let us find the solution. Here we know about ratios of complementary angles, 90 minus theta, just like sin 90 minus theta equals to what? Cos theta, and so on. So using that, we have to find the value of these ratios. Now first, sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Here you see that 90 minus, you have to write the combination just like 90 minus means 18 can be written as 90 minus 72, or 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. Any of the case you can do. So let us write 18 90 minus 72. Okay. So sin 90 minus theta equals to what? Cos theta. We know. Just this is the formula. You see the formula. Sin 90 minus A equals to cos A. So you can write sin 90 minus 72 means cos 72. So cos 72 here, numerator will be cos 72, here cos 72. So both are cancelled 1. So this is the value of these ratios. Okay, very simple. We know this table. Okay. Similarly, questions second, tan 26 by 64. You can also see here 90 minus 64. Tan 90 minus 64 can be written as a 26. So vice versa, cot 64 90 minus 26 also you can write just like this. 26 90 minus 64, and use this table also for 10 of 90 minus A equals to cot A. So 10 of 90 minus 64 equals to, you can write what? Cot 64. So write cot 64 upon cot 64. Also value is equals to 1. So this ratio is also equals to 1. So this is the use of this. What is this? Ratios of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles of A. Okay. Now question third. 48 minus sin 42. So 48, 42. Both are combining 90, you can get. So 48 equal to 90 minus 42, or 42 equals to 90 minus 48. You can write any of the combination. So cos 48, 90 minus 42. And also you know this table. So cos 90 minus this is equals to what? Sine. So sine of 42. Sine of 42 minus sine of 42 equals to 0. So the value of this is equals to 0. So similarly, take question 4. Cosec 31 minus sec 59. Here also combination of these two is 90 degree. So you can write 31 as a 90 minus 59, or 59 as a 90 minus 31. Any case. So cosec 90 minus 59 equals to 31. This is equal to 31. So we can write like this. So the cosec 90 minus 59. What from this table? Cosec 90 minus a equals to sec a. Cosec is changed to sec a. So you can write here sec 59 minus sec 59 0. Okay. So very simple. You have to remember this table. This is the trigonometric ratio of the complementary angle of A. So use this and convert like this 31 to 91 minus 59. So we can get the value. This is the answer of fourth. Okay. So that was the solution of question 1 of exercise 8.3. Okay. Question 2 of exercise 8.3. Show that this is equals to 1, this is equals to 0. That is, we have to find the value of left hand side. Okay, let us try to solve solution. Like first, left hand side. This is equal to this 1048, 1023, 1042, 1067. So you can see here that 48 and 42, these are the what? Complementary angle. 23 and 67 complementary angle. That means 42 can be written 90 minus 48 can be written 90 minus 42. 23 can be written 90 minus 67. So write like this 90 minus 42, 90 minus 67, and remaining are same. Okay, by using the this table we can write now the value of 1090 minus 42 equals to 1090 minus a equals to cot a, so cot 42. Similarly, cot 67. So write the value here. Now, cot 42 and cot 67. You know that cot 42 into 1042. Cot into 10, same angle is equals to 1. So, cot 42 and 1042, cot 67 and 1067 combine like this. Now this is 1, this is 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. That is right hand side. Okay. So this is the proof. Here cot into 10 equals to 1, you know, for same angle. Yes, this is first. Now second, take second. Here cot 32, cos 32, cos 52, sin 38, sin 52, 38 and 52. You know this is combination of, this may be combined as a 90 degree. So they are the complementary angles. So 38 can be written as 90 as 52. So here cos 90 minus 52, you can write 38. 52 also can be written as how? 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38. Both are here because here sin. Here don't change. Here you have to change cos. So cos this, cos this. Now using the table. This is the table. Cos 90 minus a equals to sin. Cos 90 minus 3 sin. So sin 52 sin 38. You can write like this sin 52 sin 38. So both are same value. So this is equals to 0. So this is right hand side. So this was the proof. So finally we have solved the question 2 of exercise 8.3. Okay. Question 3 of exercise 8.3. If tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle. 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. You know that the trigonometric ratios are defined for acute angle. That's why here 2a is given. So we can convert this to a as a 90 minus some angle, 90 minus 2a. So That's why here given acute angle. Now let us solve this solution. Given that what, tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Yes. Now we know that here you can see here tan a equals to cot 90 minus a. Here a is acute angle. So here we can write tan 2a equals to cot 90 minus 2a in place of a 2a. So right, cot 90 minus 2a. Yes, both sides are cot of some angles. So this is acute angle, 90 minus angle. This is also acute. This is also acute. So both are equal. So we can write angles are equal. Now you can solve it and find the value of a. 3a equals to this. That is a equals to 36. So this is the value of angle a. Find the value of a. A equals to 36 degree. Okay. Here main thing is that 2a is acute angles. That's why you can write tan 2a equals to this by using this table. Remember this table because this table is very very important for solving questions for complementary angles. Okay. So that was the solution of question 3rd of exercise 8.3. Question 4 of exercise 8.3. If tan a equals to cot b, prove that a plus b equals to 90 degree. So here we will use for ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so here given that what, tan a equals to cot b. Now we know that the table like this, because here we have to find the value of a plus b angle. That's why from this relation we are trying to convert both the ratio same. So here we see that cot of a, here cot of a equals to, in this table cot a equals to tan 90 minus a, where a is acute angle. So using this relation we can write cot b, cot can be converted to tan just like tan 90 minus b, because tan 90 minus a equals to cot a. So cot b equals to tan 90 minus b. So let us write this. Okay, by we know that, that's why we can write like this. Now 90 minus b or a, they are acute angles, so we can equate the value of angles. So this, not thinking so that tan is cancelled, not. Tan of a equals to tan of 90 minus b, that means we can equate the value of the angles because their ratios are same. That's why we can write a equals to 90 minus b. Now transferring b, a plus b equals to 90. That is simple, very simple questions. We have proved that a plus b equals to 90. Here you have to use these ratios of complementary angles of a. Okay. So that was the solution of question 4 of exercise 8.3. Okay. Question 5 of 8.3. Here if sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is acute angle, 4a acute angle है, find the value of a की value find करना है. Okay, so let us try to solve it. Here solution, given that sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20. Now we are trying to converting this ratio as a same ratio. So you can convert cosec to sec or sec to cosec. So let us see what is our formula. These are our formula. We know that these ratios are complementary angles of a. Here if we are trying to convert sec to cosec or cosec to sec. So sec 4a can be written as by using this last one here, sec a equals to cosec 90 minus a. Sec a equals to, where a is acute angle, 4a is acute angle. So sec a equals to cosec 90 minus a. You can write. So let us write sec 4a equals to 4a acute hai. So you can use this. So cosec 90 minus 4a. Okay. Now here cosec, also here cosec. A minus 20 is here, 90 minus 4 is here. This is also acute angle. Same ratio are there, but angles are different. So ratios are same of acute angles, then we can equate the value of the angles, not cancel out cosec. Here, since the ratios of 90 minus 4 and a minus 20 are same, so we can write 90 minus 4 equals to a minus 20. Now we can solve it. Okay, transferring and solve, 5a equals to 110. So a equals to 22 degree. Okay, very simple questions. That is 5 question number of 8.3. So remember this table, ratios of complementary angles of angle A. Okay, and use this for solving all the questions. Here question 5, the solution is of question 5. Okay, question 6 of exercise 8.3. Question 6 of exercise 8.3. Here ABC are interior angles of a triangle. Then show that sine B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. You know, if ABC is a triangle, then interior angle ABC are the interior angles, that their sum will be 180. Okay, by using this condition and also ratios of complementary angles of some angle, we have to use and we have to try to show that this. Okay, sine B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Now let us try to solve this question. Okay, solution. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That's why, so for a triangle ABC, we can write this angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Sum of the angles is 180 degree. Okay. Now from here we can write B plus C equals to, because B plus C is required. So B plus C equals to, ये transfer करो तो ये 180 minus A. That's why now also B plus C by 2. These are the angles. So B plus C. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So B plus C by 2 equals to 90 minus angle A by 2. Because only divide by 2. Here divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. 2 is distributed in both. So 180 by 2, 90 minus angle A by 2, this. Okay. Now these two angles are equal. So we can take their ratio also equal. So take sine on both sides. Take sine on both sides. Sine of this angle equals to sine of this angle. Okay. Now here sine B plus C by 2 on left side, angle B only simple B and C लिखा यहाँ पर, sin B plus C by 2, sine of 90 minus A by 2. Okay, now we have to use conversion by ratio of complementary angles of angle. So we know that like this, sin 90 minus A equals to cos A. So here sin 90 minus A by 2 equals to cos A by 2 by using this relation. Okay, so use this. Okay, sin B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. So that is the result. Okay, we have proved this. Very simple. Here main thing is that sum of angle is 180 degree. So B plus C लेफ्ट साइड में एक उधर ले गए. नाउ divide by 2 and then taking sign, and then you can get by using this formula whatever we required. So this was the proof of question 6 of 8.3. Okay. Question 7 of exercise 8.3. Express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, we are trying to express this expression in terms of ratios of angle will be between 0 and 45. That means 0 greater than 0 and less than 45 के angle आना चाहिए. Okay, so let us solve it. So given that the expression like sin 67 plus cos 75, here both ratios are different, but we are trying to reduce this angle so that angle will be less than 45 greater than 0. That means 67 can be written as like 90 minus I think 23, and 75 90 minus 15. Okay, now we can write 67 equals to 90 minus 23, 75 equals to 90 minus 15. Okay, we can write. And also we know the ratios of conversion of complementary angle of A like this. So here sin 90 minus theta, that is sin 90 minus A equals to cos A. So we can write this is equals to cos 23, as 23 is acute angle. So cos 23, or here sin 90 minus here cos 90 minus 15, cos 90 minus 15 is here, this is equals to sin A. So we can use here sin 15. That's why we can get like this, cos 23 plus sin 15. Okay, now 23 is less than 45 or greater than 0, and also 15 is less than 45 or greater than 0. So this is the conversion. Okay, this is the expression. This can be expressed like this. Okay, so this was the solution of question 7 of exercise 8.3. Very simple. So let us remember always this ratios of complementary angles of A. That is the formula you have to use for solving some questions as required. So remember it. Okay, so that was the solution of 7 of exercise 8.3. And so we can write like this, which are angles between 0 and 45 degree. Okay.